Welcome back to International AI News Channel. In today's news, we dive into issues surrounding Prince Harry and the press. A significant legal development. Prince Harry has settled his case with News Group Newspapers, the publisher of The Sun. This settlement marks a milestone in his efforts to address decades of media intrusion. The case stems from allegations of unlawful information gathering practices, including phone hacking and unauthorized surveillance, a controversy that has engulfed sections of the British press for years. The announcement was made during court proceedings today. Prince Harry's legal team confirmed that the settlement included a full and unequivocal apology from News Group Newspapers for the breaches of privacy he endured over the years. The unlawful activities in question span a period from 1996 to 2011, a time when the media's appetite for salacious details about public figures often overstepped ethical boundaries. The case is deeply personal for Prince Harry. The intrusion he experienced is not just about him but is also tied to his late mother, Princess Diana. News Group Newspapers acknowledged this in their apology, expressing regret for the distress their actions caused her during her lifetime. Princess Diana faced relentless media scrutiny, with paparazzi and tabloid journalists intruding into almost every aspect of her life. These experiences shaped Prince Harry's determination to hold the press accountable for their behavior. This settlement is particularly significant because it is the first time News Group Newspapers has issued an apology for practices connected to The Sun. While they have previously apologized for unlawful actions linked to the now-defunct News of the World, The Sun has long avoided such admissions. Legal experts say this broadens the scope of accountability for NGN and represents a meaningful step toward addressing historical wrongdoings. The allegations against News Group Newspapers include not only phone hacking but also other forms of unauthorized information gathering. These methods included hiring private investigators to obtain private details about Prince Harry's personal and professional life. The intrusion was not limited to Harry himself but extended to his friends, family, and close associates, creating a ripple effect of distress for Prince Harry. This case also serves as a way to highlight the dangers of unethical journalism. He has repeatedly drawn parallels between the media's treatment of his mother and the scrutiny faced by him and his family. Over the years, Harry has become a vocal advocate for reforming media practices. He has emphasized that these issues are not limited to public figures but can affect ordinary individuals who become entangled in the media's pursuit of sensational stories. The settlement also included a claim by Tom Watson, the former deputy leader of the Labour Party. Watson, a longtime critic of unethical practices in the British press, endured similar invasions of privacy during his political career. The apology he received highlights how these unlawful practices were not confined to the royal family but extended to influential political figures as well. To understand the broader implications of this settlement, it's important to revisit the 2011 phone hacking scandal. This scandal involved News of the World, another publication under the News Group Newspapers umbrella. It exposed widespread unethical practices within the British media and led to the Leveson Inquiry, a major investigation into press standards. The Leveson Inquiry produced a series of recommendations aimed at improving press accountability and protecting individual privacy. However, many of these recommendations were never fully implemented, leaving significant gaps in the regulatory framework. Critics argue that this lack of action has allowed unethical practices to persist in certain parts of the media industry. We will update you as the news unfolds.